से करें और कहाँ से करें।
So here we go. First we will compose an email. But before composing an email, I would like to show that tweet. This is official account of Sonu Sood and he writes, वह लिखते हैं कि हमारा भविष्य हमारी काबिलियत और मेहनत तय करेगी। हम कहाँ से हैं, हमारी आर्थिक स्थिति का इससे कोई संबंध नहीं। मेरी एक कोशिश इस तरफ स्कूल के बाद की पढ़ाई के लिए फुल स्कॉलरशिप, ताकि आप आगे बढ़ें और देश की तरक्की में योगदान दें। ईमेल करें scholarship@sonusood.me. He tweeted from iPhone. There is good number of likes and retweets. And if I say it in English, he writes, our future will determine our ability and hard work. Where we are from, our economic situation has nothing to do with it. One of my effort in this direction, full scholarship for post-school education, so that you can go ahead and contribute to the country's progress. Email scholarships@sonusood.me. See, he is providing free education for various courses, like here you can see management study, hotel management, airlines and tourism, education and technology, MBBS, law, agriculture, computer application, healthcare science and all. So now we will compose an email. See, I have written scholarships@sonusood.me. Now here you will have to write subject. So subject you can write whatever the course you wanted to select. You may write it here. Now here you can write how much percentage you have got in 12th standard and why you want an scholarship. So what's the problem with your parents? All such thing you can write and just send that email. Now you can send it. After sending, within a short span of time you will receive an email from them. See, first here it has written scholarship. हिंदुस्तान बढ़ेगा जब तू पढ़ेगा. So let's open what is there inside. See, he writes, hello दोस्तों, I am very excited that you are willing to apply for this scholarship. I truly believe that education is the most powerful tool with which you can fulfill all your dreams and bring a positive change around yourself. You all have capabilities and I am here to support as many of you as I can by giving out this scholarship. Here is a form attached. Please fill your details. Once you submit the form, your application will be taken into consideration and our team will reach out to you if you are selected. So this is the attachment. And further he writes, please remember that there are limited number of seats, therefore all of you might not be able to get this scholarship, but don't worry. I believe in you and I am sure that you will have a bright future despite all the challenges. I will contribute to try my best. Wishing you all the best in your future endeavors. हिंदुस्तान बढ़ेगा जब तू पढ़ेगा. Yours, Sonu Sood. So let's go to the attachment. Here we go from Chrome. A new page will be reopened. So see what it writes. हिंदुस्तान बढ़ेगा जब तू पढ़ेगा. Professor Saroj Sood scholarship. You know why it is written Professor Saroj Sood? Saroj Sood is his mother. So with his name, he is giving this scholarship. Here he has written, make sure that all the information is true. You would be asked for your document like class 10th mark sheet, class 12th mark sheet, family income certificate. So let's go. Here he is asking name. Write your name like here if I write Dev Raj. And now he is asking, will you be okay to study in your college outside your state? You can select any one of these. Yes, no, maybe. Okay, so let me select yes. Here he is asking the school and the city from where you have did 12. Now here he is asking which subject which state from you are. Science stream I was, or whatever you can select the one you are. Now he is asking which board it was, like state board, ICSE, CBSE, anyone you can select. Okay, how much you have scored, 70 to 80 or something, whatever you have scored you will have to correct, but it should be true. Okay, what is your family income, whatsoever it is you may write. Okay, here preferred courses, whatever you wanna select you may select. Okay, or here it has given master in business administration, MBA for 2 years, MSc and engineering in civil, mechanical, computer, electronic and etc, and diploma for 3 years computer and mechanical etc. Now bachelor degree he is giving BSc, BBA etc, or medical and others also is there, option is there. Okay, so you can go for the next step. Now he is asking what's your goal in life. Okay, write your goal, and here why do you want this scholarship. Okay, you will have to write it, whatever you want to write you may write. Okay, see, it's just an example. I am not able to afford full fee for my selected course. Okay, this is for an example. Okay, I am not going to submit it full. Okay, now you will have to select next. See what they are giving. There are also opportunities with partial scholarship. Would you like to be open to that? Here it is written, yes, I can bear half of the college expense. No, I am in need of full scholarship, or both options are okay. So now here if you will submit, let's see what happened. Sorry, I'm not selecting this, but I'm selecting both options are okay. So let's submit it. Here it has written your response has been recorded. So that means we have submitted the file. This is scholarship form. See, now we have completed our scholarship form. Here what Sonu sir is right. Let's see. I pledge to support the complete college education for student in need. That means only needy people can fill this form. Everyone can fill this form, but he will support only the needy people, needy students. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you find this video useful, share this with your friends, relative, and do like, comment. As it is already mentioned above, there are limited number of seats, therefore I request to share this video as soon as possible within your community. Friends, this is a drastic change in the field of education. I hope you all will be benefited. So, I will see you in next video. Until then, goodbye. Take care. Stay happy.